here we go. Briton Ferry in the Cymru Premier. Just how excited are you? How excited are all the people involved with this club?
No, listen, it's something that we've been working towards for the last 3 or 4 years, to be honest with you. We're finally here. Everybody's worked unbelievably hard. So, looking forward to it.
A dyna'r swipan ola. Mae Llansawel wedi sicrhau. Mae nhw sy'n ennill y Gynghrair ac yn cael dyrchafiad I Uwch Gynghrair Cymru.
I think a little bit of relief for everybody, maybe the players as well. But it was their time, and I think we went on some like 10 games unbeaten at the end, which really secured it, so it was fantastic for us.
Briton Ferry, as a community, everyone who works tirelessly behind the scenes at this club, just how much do you think it means to them?
It means everything to everybody involved at the football club, and you know, as I say, even our academy now, the way it's been built and set up, and the good people that's working in that environment, all doing it for one reason, and that's to make sure the club is trying to be the best it can be.
It's been a long journey, a plan we had in place which has come to fruition now with year-on-year investment really in the club on and off the field. I think as a club in the last season we had last year, throughout the club, you know, with the women getting promotion and the youth winning the Welsh Cup and the first as well, it was worth waiting for, I think.
You're playing Pen-y-bont today, you're also playing them in the league next weekend. When that day comes along, you'll see the fans coming through the gates.
Hopefully,
how are you feeling?
You know, last year we had over 1,000 supporters in here 3 times, which was great. And now we're averaging 500-600. So it's been a long time coming, you know, Cymru Premier football in the village. Hopefully, yeah, it's come now and we're ready to go.
Mae llawer wedi newid. Maen nhw wedi cael y steddlau newydd, wedi gwella llawer o pethau edrych o gwmpas y maes. Y torfaidd pan ddechreuais I yma, roedd fi'n lwcus I gael 100. Lwcus. Ond nawr, mae'n ymrwydd llawer, ond rhwng 200 a 1,200.
A be byddech chi'n gweud I bobl sy'n agos i'r ardal, os maen nhw'n meddwl dod I gefnogi Llansawel?
Dewch draw. Mae'n clwb hyfryd, dim trafferthion, llawer o hwyl. Mae gennym ni tîmau o dan 8 I fyny, llawer o tîmau. Mae'n hyfryd I weld y bechgyn a'r merched bach yn chwarae ac yn mwynhau eu hunan ar y maes.
Tell us about the fact that you've been promoted to the Welsh Premier League. Just how much does it mean to this club?
It means everything to this club. Absolutely everything. There was an old Briton Ferry that basically went bust, so the club has fought its way back. It's a huge challenge. We see where we go.
This is a community club. Yeah, Briton Ferry, it's very close-knit, and the fact that we made it to the Premier for the first time ever is a huge achievement, and we're also excited for the new season.
So you're a very, very dedicated fan. How much are you looking forward to the away games in the Cymru Premier?
Yeah, I can't wait. Got to try and get to as many as we can. Obviously the big clubs like Carnarvon and all the main teams like TNS. Can't wait to go and watch those. It'll be a nice difference to where we've been going the last couple of years.
In terms of the players that you've got, for people who don't know much about Briton Ferry, who would you say are the players we need to keep an eye on next season?
Luke Bowes, Gamson, centre-back, has been a big captain for us and led us all the way. And it looks like we've made a good few new signings, like Tom Bryce coming from Cardiff Met, I think has been a big signing for us.
What do you think the main aim will be for Briton Ferry?
I'd be happy with sort of a mid-table finish as long as we're not scrapping down the bottom. You've seen teams going up there, things like Holwyn Bay, who were a very good team going up last year. So it'd be nice if we can go up there, just secure ourselves as a Welsh Premier team.
You've got the first game of the season next weekend. Just how much are you and the team looking forward to it?
Yeah, it's exciting. It's something the club and the people behind the scenes, they've been working so hard. It's easy for us players, we go out there and we get all the credit, but it's the people behind, the ones running the bar, behind in the kitchen. It's for them, it's their time, and we just got to do them proud.
Now, we've gone from a league where we're winning most weeks, and that's not going to be the case this year, and we know that. But you know, we're a bit down, but we're looking forward to setting the record straight next week. I think we'll score goals, we might concede some goals, but we'll never give up.
Next week we're coming back here because it's on TV. What do I need to have with my chips?
You've got to have curry with your chips, and I'll make sure Karen gets the freshest batch for you.
Thank you.
Cheers.